Hi, I'm Simran, and I'm about 2.5 weeks out from finishing my 2-month-long intensive Punjabi program. And I just want to share a few tips and tricks that I think are really important for language students specifically. I think studying a language specifically and really honing in on this one topic for, either a semester or a summer or a full academic year is a very different experience than going to study abroad in an exchange program where you're studying many different things outside of a language, as well as being immersed in the culture. And because this is a very specific experience, I think that there are a lot of things language students can do before the start of their program to really help themselves acclimate to the program and do well. I think the first thing is to accept that you need to build a strong foundation in your language. Specifically speaking from my experience as a native heritage speaker of Punjabi, it was really easy for me to think that I could advance rather quickly in reading and writing because I've been relatively fluent in being able to speak it since childhood, but this definitely wasn't the case. I was starting from a very basic level, like learning the alphabet and then reading very small paragraphs to now reading articles. At this point in the program, I'm still not reading books, but I think that's perfectly acceptable because if you can build a strong foundation in the language, then you'll have an easier time progressing and really understanding when you get to larger levels in your learning. So even though I'm not quite reading books yet, I know that because I really spent time on committing the alphabet to heart, committing a lot of basic vocab to heart, when I do start to read books, it won't be as difficult for me as if I hadn't taken the time to really be honest with myself about what my reading and writing abilities are compared to my speaking abilities. And I think the second thing is no matter what level you're at, really commit to speaking the target language. You're able to have a really unique experience in that you're able to study the language where it's actually spoken, live with people who are native speakers of the language, study from people who are native speakers of the language, and this might not be the case at your home university. So even if it's embarrassing, really commit to it. There are some places where you might be able to get by with speaking English, like for example where I am. I'm in a pretty big city in Punjab called Chandigarh, so lots of people speak Hindi here, lots of people speak English. So, it can be easier to get by than in other places where only the target language is spoken. But I really made a conscious effort to speak Punjabi, even if it was difficult, even if what I was saying wasn't the most grammatically correct. Because one, I think local people enjoy when you're trying to really speak to them in their language. Even if you aren't speaking completely correctly, they'll do their best to try to understand you and also work with you. And then on top of that, if you get past the embarrassing part of it and speaking a language that maybe you're not the most fluent in, you'll improve much more quickly. And you'll also realize where the gaps in your vocabulary are, what words you use daily that you don't know in your target language. And so when you identify these gaps, you can better work to close them. So I think that's a really helpful part. So just speak your target language as much as you can. I think the third thing that I would do if I was doing this program all over again would be to make more of an effort to make friends with people my age who speak the target language. Because in my program, I'm an undergraduate student, another student is a PhD student, and the third student is a professor. So, I think I kind of missed out on learning how people my age talk, how people in my age group at Punjab University would speak, or the various other undergraduate institutions in Chandigarh or in Punjab. Because I think, sure, some people who are looking to learn a language are looking to learn it for purely research, and they might not need to know exactly how dialects work or local people speak, but at least for me, like, I really just wanted to improve my language to the point of being able to sound like a local as much as possible and really pick up this slang and really immerse myself. So go out of your way to try to meet people who are your age and who speak your target language, because then you'll learn how like young people speak or whatever age group you're a part of, and first of all, you won't be confused about the expressions that they're using. You can pick up those expressions, and also, if somebody is trying to like pull one over on you or like speak to you in a way that's like not polite, like you'll be able to understand them and be able to like reply in an appropriate way. So I think that's really, really important. Overall, like these 3 things I think are just very important, and I wish that I had spent more time like trying to accept before actually getting into the program, to make it easier for myself to be accustomed and acclimate to India, living in Punjab specifically. Being honest with myself about where my level of language speaking really is, so I can figure out where the gaps are. Making an effort to talk to in the target language as much as possible, and making an effort to speak to people of my age group in the target language. And I hope these tips were helpful for you, and I've really enjoyed this program. I really feel as though my Punjabi has improved a lot, and I'm really grateful to be able to speak my mother tongue more fluently. But even if you're not a heritage speaker, I think these tips still apply, and I hope they help you.